Friends, when you are woke up in the morning, what do you think about the whole day? Your plan for the work and your target. So converted it to a determinations. It makes you more active. You know, then you make yourself a creative person. A creativity is a combination of discipline and childlike spirit. Same thing must be happened in our life. When you wake up with a determination of whole day work and what we are wanted to do, and we must make ourselves a challenge to do something better for us, and we must make a target to do this work in a proper disciplined manner. Then we are able to go to the bed with satisfaction. When we are go to the bed for sleep, lots of dream comes in the way. Why? It's a dream for a success. What we positive things we do in our whole day, that's our subconscious mind repetitively think about that, and after sleep maybe we a sound sleep, but our mind is work for doing something. These determinations for the next day, it works, and again we are able to go to the bed with a satisfactions. So make your life in a such a manner. So wake up with the determination of life, determination of work, proper plan, do something for the others, help others, that make you satisfied, that will make you happy. And this happiness along with go to the bed, that's make you satisfied. Satisfaction is not monetary only. Satisfaction is your mind. You maybe lose something, maybe make some mistakes, that's not make mistake is happening. The person who do work, he must have some mistakes, they must do some mistakes. The person who do not do anything, he has no chances of mistakes. Don't worry about the mistakes. Satisfied your work process, satisfied your target, satisfied your challenges taking ability, satisfy your work trying, satisfy how try you are repetitively trying, that is your satisfactions. So wake up with the determinations, and hope all of you are go to the bed with the satisfactions. Thank you.